Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious fried rice. First, gather all your ingredients and prepare them before you even turn on the stove. This messy end place ensures a smooth cooking process. Remember, using day-old, cold rice is crucial for that perfect, non-sticky texture. Chop your vegetables and proteins into small, uniform pieces so they cook evenly and quickly. Next, heat your wok or large skillet over high heat with a tablespoon of oil. Cook your chosen protein, such as chicken or shrimp, until it's fully cooked through. Remove it and then add harder vegetables like carrots and onions, stir-frying them until they are tender crisp. Push these cooked ingredients to one side, creating space for the next step. Now, add a bit more oil to the empty side of the pan and crack in 1 or 2 eggs, scrambling them quickly. Once cooked, incorporate them with the other ingredients. Then, add your cold, day-old rice to the pan, breaking up any clumps with your spatula. Pour in your prepared sauce mixture, ensuring it coats all the rice evenly. Continue to stir-fry everything together for about 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the rice to heat through. Just before serving, stir in some fresh green onions and a dash of sesame oil for an aromatic finish. Your homemade fried rice is now ready. Serve it immediately and enjoy this flavorful dish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.